What happens when you stop drinking alcohol? Alcohol is a sedative compound which makes us feel relaxed. It works by suppressing the nervous system. This makes us feel calm and is most common to drink in social gatherings with friends and family. Unfortunately, alcohol has many damaging effects on the body, and over 1 in 8 people are addicted to this drink. In today's video, we will explore what happens to your body when you stop drinking alcohol for 30 days or more. 1. Withdrawal. Depending on how much you usually drink, you may notice some withdrawal symptoms. You may feel an increase in body temperature, sweating or insomnia, as your body has to get used to not having alcohol. After 30 days, however, your body will settle as your brain chemistry goes back to normal. 2. Liver detox. When you drink alcohol, your liver has to try and filter this out because it is a harmful toxin. This can cause the liver to become clogged with fatty tissue and can also become scarred, which is called cirrhosis of the liver. After not consuming alcohol for 30 days, your liver can begin to detoxify itself and start to work properly. 3. Mood improvement. Alcohol depletes many important vitamins in the body, especially vitamin B1. Low B vitamins can make you feel moody, with brain fog and poor concentration. As soon as you stop drinking alcohol, your B1 levels go up, which improves your emotional state and you will feel calmer. 4. Decision making. As brain fog subsides and your mood increases, people often notice better decision-making skills and more creativity. This makes you feel more confident and decisive in your life, which leads to better outcomes in your work life and day-to-day activities. 5. Weight loss. After quitting alcohol, your liver begins to clean out fatty tissue and toxins. This helps to increase the amount of bile that your liver makes. Bile breaks down fat from both your food and your internal organs, which can result in healthy weight loss. 6. Reduce cravings. When you first quit drinking, you will notice cravings for carbs and sweet foods. This is because alcohol was causing your blood sugars to rise and fall, which triggers cravings. After 30 days, however, your body can readjust its insulin levels, which will reduce cravings for alcohol and carbs. 7. Lower stress. When your liver breaks down alcohol, toxins are released, which deplete your vitamins and antioxidants. As you quit drinking, these levels are restored, which can reduce feelings of stress and long-term anxiety. 8. Skin health. You will definitely notice a change in your skin after 30 days of sobriety. Alcohol causes your skin to dry out, leaving it looking pale and anemic. Once you quit, the skin can start to restore itself as the body makes more collagen and nourishing antioxidants for the skin. 9. Eye bags or kidney health. Alcohol also puts a stress on the kidneys, which commonly causes eye bags and dark circles under the eyes. As you quit alcohol and start to drink more water, your kidneys become flushed and healthier, which reduces tired-looking eyes and bags. 10. Sleep quality. You may be thinking that alcohol helps you to sleep. However, it actually lowers your sleep quality. When you stop drinking, your brain can restore its natural alpha wave patterns whilst you sleep. This gives you a more restorative night's sleep, making you feel more refreshed the following day. 11. Energy boost. As you begin to sleep better, your B vitamins and antioxidants go up. Your body will then begin to reward you with a boost of energy. Your cells and mitochondrial energy factories begin to put out a higher energy output. This makes you feel more energetic, especially during exercise. 12. Cancer risk. Alcohol has been shown to significantly raise the risk of cancer, particularly in the liver, breast and colon, amongst others. Consider giving alcohol up to protect your long-term health, as even an extra 10 years to your life can mean so much more. 13. Hormone balance. When you consume alcoholic drinks, especially beer, your estrogen levels are significantly elevated. High estrogen causes body fat to accumulate all over the body in men and women, and can increase the risk of ovarian cancer in women. As you can see, quitting alcohol can really have a massive impact on improving your health. Alcohol actively damages your liver cells, releases toxins into the body, harms your brain, and causes free radical damage. Taking steps to remove this from your life will not only make you feel happier overall, but improve your life long term. We highly recommend consuming nutritional yeast every single day when abstaining from alcohol. Use an unfortified brand. These flakes are nature's best source of B vitamins, which will help to restore your body from alcohol damage. Nutritional yeast will also reduce cravings that you have for alcohol, carbs, or sweet food when your body enters the withdrawal phase. As your body gets over its need for alcohol, you will feel more alive, vibrant, and be able to make the most out of your life. In our next video, we will take a look at 10 home remedies for alcohol withdrawal to help you with the first 30 days. To learn more about natural remedies and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.